This is a first for Tim's Electric. MoonCool have sent me an electric trike. This is the TK1 folding electric trike. Now the box arrived, it's enormous. I think it was around 55 kilograms. And my lovely bride, Melissa, who's holding the camera right now, thank you, Melissa, struggled to get this thing up the stairs into our apartment with the help of the FedEx driver. So it's a big box. So if you're thinking of ordering one of these, or if you're just curious about how big the box is, probably gonna be helpful if you're a ground floor or a garage that you can get it dropped off at. Other than that, it's a huge square box. Let's unbox it. And then once I've got it all unboxed, we're gonna take it outside and do a full review. Coming up now. It's orange. Okay, we've got a product manual. We've got lots of tools, headlight, water bottle holder, mesh for the rear basket, multi-tool, a couple of zip ties. Looks pretty straightforward. I'm actually going to flip through the assembly steps so that I don't look like a complete turkey when I put it together. The instructions are really clear, full color. I mean, they've obviously spent a lot of time and effort in making sure that this is put together so that it's going to make life really simple for you to put it together, or for me to put it together. They've done such a good job of keeping everything packaged, and I mean, it's going to take me a few minutes to take it all apart, but it's all arriving. It's all looking pristine. Even really thoughtful things like film box to wrap up around one of the lights, one of the brake lights at the back here. I mean, that's just extra, that's so smart. So during shipping, they don't get damaged. Okay, so now I've got the wheel on, I've put the seat in. I think what I have to do next is I'm gonna put the light on at the front. But before I do that, I'm just gonna tidy everything up here, get rid of all the garbage, and that should happen now. Next up, in fact, is not the light, it's to put the front basket on. So let's get that done. 4 bolts at the front here. One of the things I did like about this was the 4 bolts made the actual basket super, super solid, but there's some really smart engineering here. They put a little hook down here, and that allows for the wires to just rest nicely in there. And so when you actually turn the steering wheel left and right, sorry, the handlebars left and right, the wire's just sitting nicely in there. Really professional. Next up, the light itself. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Little hex nut here, slide the light on, turn the light on. The MoonCool TX1 came with everything I needed. It had the tools, it had the manual, it had the product manual. It's got everything. Super, super simple to put together. 2 big thumbs up. That was awesome. All right, so we got this beautiful orange trike unboxed. It was a bit tricky to do the unboxing, I won't lie. The instructions were absolutely lovely, like really clear instructions. It just took a little bit of time, as you might expect. And it's a big box, as I said before. You know, Melissa made it up the stairs with the help of the FedEx driver, but it's a big box. I think it's about 115 pounds. And when it's finished and you put it all together, it's about 90 pounds. So she's solid. She's really solid. She's got a 48 volt battery, 48 volt battery, 14.5 amp hours, and it's powering a 500 watt motor at the back that peaks out at 1,000 watts. So what I have found, it's like super zippy for, you know, accelerating, but the top speed is limited. It seems to be limited to about 15 miles an hour, which is about 24 kilometers an hour. And I've had a few chats with Eric and Michael, both cameramen. Thank you, Eric, today for filming. I think that's probably because at high speeds, a trike going into corners it doesn't feel as stable. At low speeds, it's fine. And you know what? With the turning radius that this has, It's fabulous. Going around corners, no problems whatsoever. I think this is designed because I actually stopped a lady at the grocery store today. She has a Trike, and I was talking to her about her electric Trike. It wasn't a MoonCool, although Eric said he's seen 2 MoonCools in the city since I got this one. So they're obviously being shipped all over Canada. So that's really good news. But what I found really interesting with this is that, for her in particular, she had, I think it's called vertigo. So her balance is a little bit wonky, and she just didn't want to not be able to ride anymore. And she was using it as a grocery cart trip, sort of hauling. And she was there literally at the grocery store to fill up her groceries. And what she really liked was that sometimes, like when she was younger, people would steal her panniers, but this is all bolted down. And it's designed for it. And this has so much storage. So, you know, if you're doing grocery runs, I think this would be really, really helpful. You can load up the front with some stuff. You can load up the back with lots and lots of stuff. And she loves it for that because it got her to go back outside and she can still pedal. Anyway, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go for a ride around Oak Bay here with Eric behind the camera. We'll get some B-roll. I'll share with you what I like and what I don't like about the TK1 MoonCool folding electric trike. Coming up now. I must say the power on this thing for a little 500 watt motor, I mean, this thing weighs 100 pounds plus I'm 265, so that's 365. Max weight is 450, so I can get a whole lot of groceries on here, no problem. And yeah, the brakes, they're hydraulic brakes, which is really nice. I do like hydraulic brakes. And maybe I'm just got to get used to the idea of going around corners with 3 wheels. It's just different. Yeah. Anywho, it's kind of fun. But yeah, the brakes are quite solid. Oh, and the throttle is nice too. Twist throttle right up here. Yeah, I'm liking it. And the pedal assist, 5 levels. So that's kind of nice. And this seat is very comfy. They figured out, I mean, if a big comfortable seat is of interest to you, this is a very comfortable seat. I do like a comfy seat. So suspension-wise, Cup is pretty decent. Going with the fat tires, going over these bumps. It's kind of nice, actually. I'm taking all the bumps possible here. So it has limited slip differential. And so going around that corner back there, I managed to get a little bit of air on the back right tire, I think. And yeah, it's, I mean, you certainly want a differential on a 3-wheeler because you want that back wheel rotating as you go around the corner, different rotations. Hey, look at that, you can go no hands. Don't recommend that. Oh, you're taking us to the beach. Oh, this is beautiful down here. Holy cow. I do like Willows Beach. So what am I liking about the MoonCool TK1 folding electric trike? Well, first of all, it's got plenty of power. I'm really liking that. The 500 watt motor, when you dump the entire amount that you want, go full power, it's giving you 1,000 watts right off the bat. So she moves really, really quickly. The brakes are fantastic. They're hydraulic. The suspension coupled with that super comfortable seat, loving that. I like the fact that this is adjustable. So this is the handlebars. You can go up and down. And when you're folding it up, I'm going to show you the folding mechanism in a moment. We're down here by the beach, so you're going to hear people playing volleyball and having fun as well. But the baskets are great too. I'm actually really liking this. I got to say, at the very beginning, I was a little bit nervous about going around corners on a trike because I'm not convinced that they're great on corners, certainly at speed, but the differential really helps because it slows things down. Like if you're going on a corner, let's say you're turning left, the left wheel will slow down a little bit and the right wheel will speed up. So it goes around corners fairly well. You just kind of have to trust that it's going to work. And if you suffer with balance issues, or if you're suffering with any kind of physical limitations that are going to, make riding around on a typical bicycle more difficult, I completely see now why a trike would be useful. And as I said, it comes with everything, like the front basket, the back bike basket, the lights at the front, lights at the back, the indicators. Loving all of this. So, so far so good. I'm really looking forward to folding it up. I'm being facetious there. I think it might be a tough thing to fold up. Let's go find out how hard it is to actually fold this thing up. All right, so it looks like it's got two different spots. I'll lower the handlebars first. Then there's a quick release up here. So that will fold this down. So that's kind of handy. And then the folding mechanism in the middle here, there's a little release here to, and then I guess lift up and it breaks in the middle here and comes all the way around. There we go. Yeah, I mean, so I don't really understand. I'm probably not doing this properly. And so if I'm not doing this properly, put that down and below. But I think that's pretty much it. And then of course you can, take your seat off and away you go. So I think what this is designed to do is let people fit this in the back of a minivan or a crossover vehicle or something like that. And yeah, maybe that helps some people because it's quite wide at the back. The other thing I guess you could do is flip the actual, no, I think that's how it's supposed to go. So anyway, down in the comments if I've completely snafu'd this up, but I think that's how it's supposed to go. And I'll put it back together here. Nice. And I mean, all the latches, everything is beautifully done and it just goes back together beautifully. I did like the fact that we had a little bottle holder here, but yeah, let me know down below if I've just messed that up nicely. But yes, it does fold. I don't know how useful that is to anybody. I think the most important thing, probably if I was doing this, I would do this. I would just lower the handlebars and then fold this down like that. I would probably take this off. That's personally what I would do with it. And then I would slide it into the back of the minivan or pickup truck or whatever you like. And then, if you're going to do that, you can pick it up fairly simply. It's only, I think it's about 100 pounds. So, if you get help, maybe a couple of people can do it. And then slide it into the truck or wherever, and away you go. And then you put it back together again really easily. As I said, putting it up and down is pretty straightforward. All the clamps work really well. So I think what I'm going to do now is take off, enjoy some more of the beach, more of the beautiful views, the sailboats, etc. And I'm going to stop and talk to you about what I like and what I don't like about this trike. Special thank you to Eric for coming out today. He's got his shorts on, I've got my shorts on, we're riding around. The MoonCool, I actually really like it. I mean, I love the color. I think that's hilarious. And it comes in a whole bunch of colors, so you can choose the color you want. But if this is a way that's gonna get you out of your home and on an e-bike, and you're going to feel safer on it because it does have the stability of having 3 wheels instead of 2, then I think this is terrific. It's quite utilitarian. So, if you do go grocery shopping, you can get tons of, like 2, 3 big bags of groceries in the back, couple, maybe one big one in the front as well. The brakes, I love the brakes. Hydraulic brakes I love, but these ones are particularly powerful. I like that. The tires are really nice. The ride is really, really smooth. There's nothing I really don't like about this. I mean, the lighting setup is really nice. I don't have a whole lot to say that's negative. The only thing I will say about trikes, and that might be, I don't want to say negative or bad, you do have to kind of get used to going around corners on a trike. It's not the same as riding a typical e-bike. But other than that, plenty of power. They've capped that power at 15 miles an hour, which is about 24 kilometers an hour. But other than that, this is absolutely fantastic. So it's big guy approved, max weight 450 pounds. So if you got loads of groceries and you're a big guy, love it. Other than that, absolutely really enjoyed the MoonCool. Big guy approved.